CA Inter Law 1.5 Days Revision Strategy. After your accounts paper, you have 45 hours before paper 2 corporate and other laws. Out of this, 4 hours are for traveling, that is 2 hours each on 6 July and 8 July, and 12 hours are for sleep in 2 nights. Leaving 4 hours for other activities, you must study for at least 25 hours. Your schedule from 6 July 7 pm to 8 July 12 pm will be as follows. On 6 July from 7 pm to 9 pm, revise the provisions of interpretation of statutes from compact book or short notes. Also go through the important MCQs and past exam questions. To avoid being stuck at increasing the length of the answers, learn examples. From 9 pm to 9:30 pm, have dinner and take some rest. From 9:30 pm to 12:30 am, go through the provisions of Chapter 1 Preliminary to Chapter 4 Share Capital and Debentures of the Companies Act. From short notes, do some important questions in writing and MCQs also with it. From 12:30 am to 6:30 am, sleep well. On 7 July, wake up at 6:30 am and finish Chapter 5 Acceptance of Deposits by Companies, Chapter 6 Registration of Charges, and Chapter 8 Declaration and Payment of Dividend of Company Law along with MCQs and frequently asked questions till 9 am. At 9 am, get ready and have breakfast. From 9:30 am to 2 pm, cover the remaining 3 chapters of the Companies Act 2013, Management and Administration, Accounts of Companies, and Audit and Auditors from short notes, MCQs, and frequently asked questions. From 2 pm to 3 pm, have lunch and take some rest. 3 pm to 4 pm, quickly revise the General Clauses Act and do its MCQs and important questions. From 4 pm to 6 pm, revise the provisions of Negotiable Instruments Act from short notes or marathon video. Thereafter, do its marked questions and MCQs. From 6 pm to 6:30 pm, drink milk and take a small walk. From 6:30 pm to 8 pm, finish the last topic of your syllabus, that is Indian Contract Act from compact book, and do important MCQs and questions. From 8 pm to 8:30 pm, have dinner and take some rest. From 8:30 pm to 10:30 pm, cover the latest MTP and do some questions in written for practicing how to present the answer. Learn legal terms to be used in the answers. From 10:30 pm to 1 am, go through the latest RTP and do some questions in written. Revise case laws and do practice of some case study questions. From 1 am to 7 am, sleep well. On 8th July, wake up at 7 am and get ready and have breakfast till 8 am. From 8 am to 12 pm, revise all the provisions, important sections, timelines, etc. from short notes or compact book. Always remember, efforts achieve success. All the best.